Hey y'all, it's Ariel. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a subby. So as y'all can see, I have bleached my hair. It is 10 different colors. We will be back, with a different hairstyle with a uniform platinum when I can go over it. So for now, I'm putting most of it up in a quick weave, and I think I'm just gonna get like some blonde like platinum spray for the ends. I'm not worried, y'all. I can't be worried, truly. There's just bigger things to life, okay? But this is gonna be a quick weave, so this is also gonna be a quick video. Section out my leave out. All right, y'all, so I have all of the hair going under the cap braided. Okay, so I already oiled it down. I used this hair food. This is my leave out. Everything that's out right now is my leave out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna braid that down, and then we're gonna be ready for the next step. Okay, so this is the cap that we're gonna use, but first, before we do that, we are gonna spray each braid with some Got To Be. I'm covering my leave out with my hand. So we're just gonna dry that. Okay, so now that the braids have been dried and sprayed down, there's a nice like base, So I'm also just gonna tie whatever braids can fit into this ponytail all together, just so that there's like less commotion going on with what I'm about to do. We're gonna take our weave Wonder Wrap, and we are going to use the clear, and we're gonna apply that all over what's gonna be under the cap. So I just usually pour it onto the brush, and then I just work with that, okay? We're just gonna put that everywhere but the leave out. So make sure not to get this on your leave out, because you're gonna have to like wash it. It's gonna be like annoying. Okay, so just pour and paint. And I try to place it like away from the leave out, and then I bring it towards that area when the product is more able to be controlled, if that makes sense. But I'm just gonna do this over my whole head. I've cut me some ear holes, and then I put a line of demarcation where my leave out is. In fact, I'm about to do the same thing for where my edges are at, because I don't want to get the glue on my edges either. I need to sharpen this. Period. So I'm just using this white color pencil. I think it's like I don't know if it's a colored pencil or if it's like a little, I don't know. It has no brand on it at all. It came with some kind of kit I got, but I'm literally just using it to mark off where my leave out is, and I don't usually do this, but lately I have been wanting to be like a lot more careful, just because like the last time I did a quick weave, I kind of got the glue and all of the like Wonder Wrap all in my edges, and I had to rewash my hair. It was a mess, y'all. So this is a great extra precautionary step to take whenever you're doing your quick weaves, and you can use anything that will show up on the cap like a marker. Anything that won't bleed onto your scalp is recommended. Okay. So now we have our leave out all marked out. Oof, I knew this was gonna start hurting. More room down here is hurting me. All right. Oof. Literally gonna repeat the same process like the got to be and the Wonder Weave wrap on the cap as well, just because I want that double protection. So I'm just gonna do that same process, y'all. We are all protected as far as our hair. The hair bonding glue, okay? I said we're using black. We're gonna be very careful. We're gonna be very mindful, very demeritsy, very cutesy, very considerate with that. We're using Model Model. Model Model has always been a very dependable brand. Model Model has never let me down. Model Model has always been there for me. I can always depend on Model Model to do what it has to do for at least a week, okay? I got two 16 inches and then I got one 24-inch bundle. I did want some length to this hair. I am gonna cut it up and layer this, so let's just get into laying the tracks. Listen, for laying the tracks, we're just laying from the right side of the neck to the left. We're starting at the nape of the neck, and then we're going from ear to ear, ear to ear, ear to ear till we get up here. Once we get up here, we're gonna start really curving those tracks. We're gonna make a C shape, and y'all are gonna see that. Once we start to get to the top, we're gonna start making sure that the tracks are as diagonal as possible. You don't want them straight. You want them diagonal so that the corner of the tracks are right here, so that the hair is falling onto our face, so that it also looks more natural, right? So we are going to be laying the tracks, and they're going to be starting to curve so much inwards that they begin to be diagonal, not straight, but like, so we're not angling them here, we're angling them like this. So we're going boom, 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 until it's literally like almost closing right here, and we just have the leave out. Okay, so you're gonna see that as I am doing this time lapse, I'm making sure it's a C shape, and then gradually that C shape is gonna be going like this, like this, like this, until they're inward, not here. We don't want them straight, we want them inward like this. Okay. All right, y'all, so this is what we have so far. Okay, yes, we are gonna cut the cap now. All right, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. I tried to be so neat with that black glue. It is going to be covered by all this leave out. Let's see what we're working with, y'all. I'm scared. Okay, because it's looking, and you know, when you curl something, when you curl it, you know, it looks a little, it looks, you know, like curling hair, it makes it just look less who did it and why. Because it's curled, and see, it matches. Oh on the top. That's why I was like, I'm not too worried because it matches on the top. It's just them ends, child. Lord, it's okay, y'all. You know what? It's gonna be curled. I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. I'm scared. Let me stop saying I'm scared. I'm not for real. I'm not being for real. I'm not that scared for real. Okay. Ooh. I said ooh. Let me put a little more here on that side. There we go. Y'all, okay. Period. Y'all, meat and hair, we get along. You know what I'm saying? Like, meat and hair, we get along, people. Wanna be in demand, then cook like me. Oh God. Okay. And again, like, I get that, and you can really barely see. You really gotta be, like, if there's any mistakes here, you really gotta be inside of my scalp, which is way too close anyway. Like, nobody's getting that close. You have to be all the way inside my scalp to see any mistakes, you know? Y'all, okay, the curls will always do something for the girls. What am I trying to say? Curls for the girls. I'm gonna fix that at the top. But let's see, does it just need to be brushed? I might add some more. Yeah, I'm gonna add, is this still on? Perfect, because I'm gonna add a layer right here. And I'm gonna curl this piece with my hair that does not match. Okay. Oh, and that did not do what I needed it to do. Okay. I'm gonna have to hold it there. Okay, y'all, the curls, it's always gonna do a little something something. Okay, and like the layers of it just makes it look a lot more natural. I might put another layer like right here, but like, watch. Yeah, like these layers eat down. Like, it just makes it look so much better. Like, I'm about to put another one right here. And what I do is I hold it in the flat iron and I curl it up and I hold it, hold, let that curl get some love. And look at that, like, look at that. Looks so good, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna do my edges and then we're gonna brush the curls out. Ooh, y'all, we look so good. And then, oh, okay, let's just do the edges. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure this is what I want. All right, y'all. Let's brush these curls out and see what it's looking like. Oh my God. Gorge. literally gorgeous. Yes, I know it doesn't match well or the best, but y'all, this is what we're working with, and it's just gonna have to be okay. Like, honestly, it looks worse in the back, which is fine with me. I really don't care, because it's gonna get fixed. It's just not gonna be fixed right now, and that's okay. These curls definitely make up for the color match not being perfect. I absolutely am in love with this. Like, the layers, just everything about it. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed. Okay, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. All right, I'm gonna be back in the next clip with the finished look. Alright, y'all, this is the finished look for this quick weave. I am going to be, again, I keep saying it because I feel like people are going to be like, oh, your ends. I am going to be re-bleaching my ends in like a week, so make sure y'all come back for that. I just love talking like that. I feel like it's like very Kim K, like very like Courtney vibes, Courtney coded. Yes, everything you see is organic, homegrown. Okay, yeah. All right, y'all, I really do have to go. I gotta make some more content, but I love how this came out. I can't wait to go party with my hair, you know, looking very sleek, very chic, very much like goddess like and like fairy like. I just love this look. Like, I love the curls, everything about it. Model, thank you. You're always dependable and very affordable. Love you for that. I love y'all for watching. So with that being said, thank you for listening, watching, and existing. I'm Ariel. Until we meet again. Bye.